Hey YouTubers, this is Old John. I'm going to make a video today of replacing my fuel filter on my L130 automatic John Deere mower. You'll want to find your filter out. Mine's on the left side, or the right side as you're facing the mower. You're going to have to raise the hood most likely. So that's the first thing, is to locate your filter, your fuel filter. Mine's right above the oil filter and the oil drain line. I think calls for replacing it probably every 1 to 2 years. I'm past due that, so just reduces your gas mileage probably if you don't replace it soon enough, or you may notice a reduction in the fuel flow. So before you do this, you want to, of course, have it shut off, make sure the engine's not hot, and any fuel that might still be left in the hoses, you want to put something underneath to catch the fuel. But basically it has 2 clamps here. You can loosen and slide back and install the new one. Here's a new one I got at a local farm store. It's an actual John Deere replacement part, and it's got an arrow on it to show you which way to put it, but it's pretty obvious which way it goes. I'll obviously point in the same direction as the other one. So let's disconnect here and see if we get any fuel coming out. Assume we probably should start at the top one, but I don't know if it matters. Okay, this is a 2-hand operation. Okay, so I slid these back. Now I have to slide the hoses off on each side. Okay, there's the one side. It's got a little gasoline. Now we got to take it off the other side. Okay, there's the new one. There's the old one. See, it's darkened in color. Okay, so we're going to put the new one in. It goes like this. Going to slide in this end, and then slide in the other end. And it's just a matter of snugging the hoses up and putting the crimps back in place. It's a pretty tight fit, which is what you want, so it doesn't leak. And then it's a matter of sliding these back on. Okay, I snugged them up, and you'll want to run it now and test for any leakage. I'm not going to run mine now. Not quite ready to mow. But to recap, you want to make sure the engine's off and probably not hot, and put something down to catch the fuel that's going to leak out. Just simply need to use conventional set of pliers. This filter I have is a GY20709 and then AM116304, and you can get these at tractor stores, of course the John Deere parts store if you have one in your area. So pretty simple operation. So if you like the video, give me a like, and if you want to subscribe, I've got quite a few videos on working on my John Deere and another John Deere, my neighbors. So old John signing off for now.